If you want to unlink your Revolut account from Facebook, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your accounts are separated. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and log into your account if you are not already logged in. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the settings gear icon, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the app, to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Link Accounts. Look for an option labeled Linked Accounts or Connections. This section will show you all the accounts that are connected to your Revolut account. Step 4. Select Facebook. Find Facebook in the list of linked accounts. Tap on it to view the connection details and options for unlinking. Step 5. Unlink the accounts. Choose the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from Revolut. Confirm your choice if prompted to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Revolut account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut support for further assistance.